solving inequalities. In this case, linear inequalities. So we have our symbols. First symbol, meaning, and examples. So our first symbol there, meaning, is less than, in our example. 2 is less than 6. Is that true or false? Is 2 less than 6? Yeah, that's true. -6 is less than -1. Is that a true statement or false statement? Well, think of the idea. Do you prefer to have a more negative bank account or a smaller negative bank account? So you prefer to owe $6 or owe $1? Well, in that case, I would prefer to owe just $1, right? So -6 is technically smaller, less desirable by definition or by reference. So this would be a true statement. Otherwise, we can graph it on a number line. So stay tuned for those. Okay, up next, our symbol is less than or equal to. So is less than or equal to. Is 4 less than or equal to 8? Well, in this case, 4 is less than 8. So that would be a true statement. Our next example, 5 is less than or equal to 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 5? Well, 5 is less than 5, right? Well, 5 is equal to 5 in this case. So because it has an equal sign, in this case, it's a true statement also. Our next symbol is greater than. An example, is 9 greater than 1? Yeah, 9 is bigger than 1. So that's a true statement. Okay, -2 is greater than -4? Once again, do you prefer to owe $2 or owe $4? I prefer to owe $2. It's more desirable, right? So by reference, it's a bigger number. So it's a true statement. Keep in mind, if you graph it on a number line, the further you go to the left on the negative side, the smaller the value by definition that it is. The further to the right, the bigger the number, or the more positive it is, in other words. Okay, so the last symbol there we have is greater than or equal to. And in this case, our example says 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Is that a true statement or a false statement? Is 3 greater than or equal to 0? Well, 3 is greater than 0. Agreed? So it's a true statement. Our last example here is 4 greater than or equal to 4? Well, 4 is equal to 4. Since it has an equal sign in this case, it's a true statement.